Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the Android 12 update in my iQOO 7. So I'm really happy friends because I got the Android 12 update in my iQOO 7. So let me just show you my settings here. So everything is changed in my device. So if I just click on this, so this is the Android version 12 in my iQOO device. I really love this, and also I have seen a huge differences as compared to FunTouch OS 11, and there are quite similar changes from FunTouch OS 11 to FunTouch OS 12. So as you can see here, as I said before, it is based on FunTouch OS 12, and the device name, as you can see, it is iQOO 7. So here the main differences and I like the most is regarding the home settings. So as you can see, if I just press, if I just press on the screen, so you will get three options here, the home settings. So this is a new feature in the Android 12 version of iQOO 7. So where there will, in the Android version 11 and FunTouch OS 11, so this particular option is not available. So here we can change to the drawer style and the standard style as well. So if you just choose the drawer style, you can also open the drawer here as I am showing here, and if you wanted to choose the standard style, so it won't open the drawer, and it will be easy for some of the users. So some of the users don't like that the drawer style. And also let me just show you, these are some of the wallpapers. So these are some of the wallpapers that are included in the FunTouch OS 12, FunTouch OS 12, which is based on Android 12. So these are some of the wallpapers. And also let me just show you the settings here. And the main thing here I liked most is that there is a monster mode where everyone wanted this particular mode in iQOO 7, because right now it is in iQOO Z5 as well. So as we are on Android version 12, we are having the monster mode. It will help in games whenever you are playing any game, so it will just boost it, and the efficiency will be increased in your mobile phone. And let me just show you some of the settings here. So as you can see, this system update, it is 6.70.32. I just got this today morning. And let me just tell you one thing frankly friends, the battery backup improved a lot in Android version 12 in my device. I'm not sure because it may vary for different devices. So let me just show you. So I have just charged this mobile to 100% after the update. So as you can see here, it is in the balanced mode. We can also change to the power saving mode and to the monster mode as well. So here you can see the screen usage is around 3 hours 16 minutes, and the available battery is around 66%. So I got the screen on time of 3 hours 16 minutes. It's very good friends. So I really like the battery performance in this mobile phone. And also let me just tell you one thing here. The one more thing I liked most is about the themes. So before in the Android version 11 and FunTouch OS 11, we cannot able to download any themes because all are paid versions, and right now we can download themes as well, and we can apply that to the home screen. So here you will find the local themes. Atmosphere theme is a new theme for the Android version 12, and the local wallpapers you can also download more, so it won't ask for any money. So you can directly download and apply the wallpapers to your device. And also there are some other options. Let me just show you here. Local fonts, you can download fonts without any money, and also local lock screens, always on displays. So always on displays also. So as you can see, the always on displays also, there are many features here, and we can also choose a personalized style here. As you can see, these are all the personalized styles of the clock screen. So sorry for that. So actually these are some of the features, and also the smoothness increased a lot friends. So I can see this change compared to the iQOO 7 in Android version 11 and also in the Android version 12. So as compared to Android version 11, the smoothness is increased a lot. And let me just show you some settings. So as you can see, I don't know whether you can notice or not, so let me just take out the dark theme. So there is a curve detection here, the curve. So as you can see, there is a curve when I am just opening this. so I also like that. So the notification panel is also changed a lot, and let me just move it to the dark theme. So everything is fine, the haptic feedback is fine in this device after Android version 11. So I just wanted to try the Antutu benchmark score test as well, but right now I don't want to play with my iQOO 7 because I really like this mobile phone. So everything is working good. And also let me just show you some of the widgets here. So these are the widgets in the iQOO 7. So there are almost different widgets for different applications like clock, Android as Easter egg. And let me just tell you one thing. So I can see the WhatsApp notification bubbles here in this iQOO 7 Android version 12. So these are some of the features I can see. So these are the widgets which are available in the iQOO 7. And also, as you can see, this is the lock button, so simply we can lock. And the fingerprint is also very good, so it is too fast. As you can see, it is always pretty good in iQOO 7 device. So if we just keep like this, it will just open the fingerprint without an issue. So the most likely, I like the most is this standard mode. So I love to see the apps on the home page like this, and there are some of the settings as well. So ultra game mode is also working fine without any issue. And you can, let me just tell you one thing. So we are getting around 25 GB used in the iQOO 7 after 4.16 GB update. So it is pretty good, no issues with that. So as I'm using the 256 GB variant, no issues with that. And also everything is fine. Lock screen and wallpaper, so there are some of the lock screen style settings. You can also download more here, and there will be a magazine option. I just disabled that using my command prompt. I have just disabled some of the system applications in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, there are very useful applications, but not more than that. So I just need to remove this feedback option as well, and remaining everything is very useful in my iQOO 7 device. So these are some of the changes I have noticed. Battery backup is very good, it is very awesome. And also some of the features, widgets are very good, and I think there are no bugs here in this. So I think this is the best stable version of Android version 12 in the iQOO 7 device. So friends, hope you like this video. So if you wanted more, you can just comment in the comment section below. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.